Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing an honest review of a SEZZLE. And first of all, we'll go over the pros and then we'll go over the cons. So the main appeal is this buy now, pay later model, which basically splits your purchase into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. So, it's incredibly convenient for bigger purchases that you don't want to pay all at once. So let's start with the first pro, which is financial flexibility. This is the biggest win. It lets you to budget for larger items without having to use a credit card and deal with interest. And the approval also, by the way, the process is fast and they only perform a soft credit check, which doesn't hurt your credit score. And by the way, there's no interest. Okay? So as long as you make your payments on time, you will not pay a penny more than the original price of your item. The only cons I would say is, first of all, late fees. If you miss a payment, the late fees can be quite high. So that's where they're making money. They're not really making money from the people who are paying on time. The people who don't pay on time, you guys are going to pay a lot of fees. So if you're not careful, if you know you're not going to pay this on time, do not go ahead and get that. Oh, by the way, there's also limited retailers. So I know while a lot of popular stores use Sezzle, it's not universally available. So this can be frustrating when you find something you want to buy, but the option isn't there. But they do have a lot of websites you can go to. Like a lot of these websites, like Amazon, Walmart, they should have what you want, even eBay, right? So that's it for today's review. And if you found this video helpful, we appreciate the honesty. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.